Hello, and today we're going to take a look at the target packet, question number 16. We're going to try and find the area of the shaded region, and we're given a hint down here that the shaded region is a sector of a circle. So in order to find the area of a circle, the whole thing, I would do pi r squared. And then in order to find the area of the sector, I have to multiply that by the fraction of the circle that is shaded. In this case, we have a triangle right here that is a right triangle where one angle is 90, one angle is 30, which means this angle is 60. The same thing can be done on the other side and say that that angle is 60. If I know there's 180 degrees in a straight line, that means that this angle up here is also 60. So when I want to find the area of the sector, I have to do pi r squared times 60 divided by 360, which is the fraction of the circle. The next thing I need to do is find the radius of my circle. That's the radius right there. Notice that this is a right triangle, and I know one side. So I can use SOHCAHTOA to find the missing side, which is the radius. This would be the adjacent side. This would be the opposite side. So adjacent and opposite is cosine. So I have to do the cosine of 30 degrees is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. Whoops, let me back up here just a second and fix this. That shouldn't be the opposite. That should be the hypotenuse there. So over the hypotenuse, which is the radius. To solve this, this is a division problem, so the radius is going to be 16 times the square root of 3 over the cosine of 30. When you put that in your calculator, you end up with 32. Now the radius is 32, so I just need to substitute that back in there. So area is going to equal pi times the radius, which is 32 squared, times 60 divided by 360. When you put all that in your calculator, you're going to end up with 536.17.